Today we're going to talk about how to check your engine codes. I know you hate when your engine light comes on, so I'm going to show you an expensive way to find out what's wrong with your car. First, you'll need one of these small computers. You can find them online from 15 bucks all the way up to $1,000. But I'll recommend that you find a cheap one. What you will do then is you'll go on your driver side of the vehicle and you're gonna go underneath the steering wheel. Under there you're gonna find the OBD2 sensor. All of the cars have the same one, the OBD2. You'll plug in your computer and you'll hit read, scan, or whatever your computer says. The car will throw you a code, and what you'll do with that code is go online, type in the code, and you'll find thousands of answers and reasons, and even other people that own that car explaining the problem. So that's a cheaper way than taking it into a shop. You can find out what it is, and maybe it's something that doesn't require you to take it to the shop. So that's a way to save some money. That's it for today, guys. Take care.